You're bidding on a used M&W 1800 round hay baler, serial number 740. This baler runs off a standard 540 RPM PTO and makes 5 by 6 foot bales. It works great, and it's in good condition and has been stored in a shed all of its life. This baler is ready to go to work for you. Just be the highest bidder and you can haul it home and start baling. The parts list and manual are included. This equipment is part of the Patterson estate in Calhoun, Georgia, and will be sold along with the land, home, and all farm buildings. You can bid with confidence with Auctions United. Call Jim Gibbons at Auctions United, 800-222-5003 for more information. Auctions United. Your trust deserves our very best.